Hello foodies, welcome to my new channel Dolly's Cooking Nook. Today I'll be cooking chicken curry, a dish that's not only delicious but also versatile and easy to make. So let's get started. At first I will take 1 kilogram chicken, add some salt and milk, rinse and wash properly, squeeze out the excess water. I will take 2 cups of diced onion. Then I will place the pan in the stove with medium to high heat, add half cup of oil and pour the chicken into the pan. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon chili powder. Frying until it gets light brown and set it aside. Then add half cup of oil in the pan. Remember to keep the previous oil from the pan. Now add onion in oil, stirring until it gets light brown. Add 2 or 3 bay leaf, then stirring. Then add some spices, half teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder. I like spicy, but you can add spicy as you like. Add some water, cooking on high heat until you can see the oil coming out. Spices. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Now I will add chicken and stirring. Add 1 pinch of cardamom powder and I will add homemade garam masala. Frying till the oil comes out. Add 2 cups of water. Cook in high heat. Cover the pan and flip the chicken few times during cooking. Finally add 5-6 green chili and fried onion. Chicken curry is a dish that can be prepared in various ways. Today I showed the recipe in a very easy way. I hope you like this. You should try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Cooking for 10 minutes on a high heat. When the gravy is thick, it is ready to eat. Enjoy this recipe with white rice or homemade roti. Thanks for watching and follow for more.